The inverse property of addition states that the sum of a number and its opposite is 0. 4 plus negative 4 is 0. Similarly, with terms, the sum of a term and its opposite is 0. 2x plus negative 2x is 0. The inverse property of multiplication states that product of a number and its reciprocal is 1. 5 times 1/5 is equal to 1. That's true for all real numbers except for 0. 0 does not have a multiplicative reciprocal. It does not have a multiplicative inverse. In fact, 1 divided by 0, the supposed reciprocal of 0, is not defined. So this here is true as long as number A is not 0. Complete each equation using the appropriate inverse property. 7 plus what quantity gives us 0? The answer would be the opposite of 7, which is negative 7. 3 times what quantity gives us 1? And the reciprocal of 3 is 1/3. 3 times 1/3 is equal to 1. In part C, we have W plus negative W equals, well, this is simply a number plus its opposite, and the answer is 0. Part D, negative 5 plus what number is 0? So we're looking for the opposite of negative 5, because the opposite of this number and that number would give us 0. What is the opposite of negative 5? 5. So negative 5 plus 5 is 0. In part E, we have 1/5 times some number is equal to 1. A number times its reciprocal is 1. So what is the reciprocal of 1/5? 5 divided by 1, or 5 over 1. Or simply 5. Part F, we have negative 3x plus 3x. Here we have a term and its opposite being added together. The answer is 0. And in part G, 4x times what quantity gives us 1? Since that's multiplication, the answer is the reciprocal of 4x, which is 1. Some people say 1 over 4x, is really 1 divided by 4x. And on this last page, we have a summary of the different properties that we have looked through in this section.